Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 278 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It's my birthday my friends. Today, May 17th, I am 28 years old. For my birthday, instead of making cupcakes or a birthday cake, I decided I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to make some Funfetti birthday cake pancakes. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so light and fluffy. We're going to put some sprinkles in it. And we're going to put a homemade cream cheese glaze on it. And these would be great to make with your kids. And if you're having a birthday breakfast or birthday brunch, please make these pancakes. They will be the star of the show. Everybody will enjoy them. And I post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Funfetti cupcakes. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your sprinkles, your flour, and your cake batter sugar, because we're about to cook some Funfetti birthday cake pancake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1.5 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. And we're going to add in 2 large egg whites, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Give that a quick whisk. And we're going to set to the side while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of white cake mix. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Give that a quick whisk. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the wet into the dry. Going to give that a quick stir until it's nice and well combined. And then we're going to let the batter rest for 10 minutes. Be careful not to overmix. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 4 ounces, which is 1/2 of an 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, and 1/2 stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons, also at room temperature. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Blend all that in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 2 cups of powdered sugar that I whisk, or you can sift it, and 1/2 cup of half and half, half milk, half cream. We're going to add the powdered sugar alternately with the half and half, beginning and ending with powdered sugar. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. Blend this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, the pancake batter has been rested for 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like, nice and thick. Alright, now it's time for our final ingredient, the fun part. We're going to add in 3 tablespoons of rainbow Jimmie Sprinkles and just fold them in. Ooh, look at those colors. Gorgeous! And I can smell the vanilla and the almond extract. Smells good. Alrighty, now we're ready to cook our pancakes. Alright my friends, I got my griddle nice and hot and I melted some butter, or you can use cooking spray, or you can use a skillet. So using my measuring cup, I'm using my 4-cup measurement. Just going to scoop the pancake batter right on the griddle. And you can make them any size that you prefer. Alright, so all we do is let the pancakes cook until you don't see any bubbles. All right, my friends, now it's time to put the pancakes. Here we go. Oh yeah, perfect. Nice and golden brown. I can see the sprinkles. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through cooking my birthday cake pancakes. Now it's time to add the cream cheese glaze on them. All right, my friends, I got the cream cheese glaze on them. Doesn't that look good? But there's one more thing we gotta add to it. Some more rainbow jimmies. And there you have it, my friends. Funfetti birthday cake pancakes. Don't that look marvelous and festive and beautiful colors? All right, my friends, I'm about to make a birthday wish. Yay! All right, here we go. Look at that. So tender and it melts in your mouth. These are amazing. And the cream cheese glaze on them, my friends, divine. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Birthday cake pancake-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.